In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the OBS Studio black screen issue on your Windows device. So right now, as you can see right there, I'm actually recording my screen with OBS Studio and I managed to fix the black screen issue. So what you want to do, you want to search for OBS Studio on your PC. There you go. And then you want to click on Open File Location. The next up, you actually want to right click. This is not the application. This is just a shortcut. So right click. Next up, click on, let's see, where is it? Open File Location. And then right there, you will see all of these files. And you want to find the application. OBS Studio 64 right there, application. Then right click once again on the application. And then you want to click on Properties, which is right there. Next up, you want to click right there. And then you will see these features, right? So you can click on Windows 8 or Windows 7, Windows 10, whatever Windows you're running on. Next up, you want to click right there, run this program as an administrator, then click on Apply. Okay, there you go. Then next up, you can actually close this tab and you want to go to your home screen right there. You want to right click and click on Control Panel. Next up, you want to click on Manage 3D Settings, and then you want to click on Program Settings, and then you want to find OBS Studio. Next up, you want to click on OBS Studio, so Open Broadcaster Software, click on it, and then you want to make sure to put this on the Integrated Graphics. So the default setting is Use Global Settings, so you don't want to do this. You want to make sure that it's on Integrated Graphics, and once you do that, you want to hit Apply, and that should actually fix this problem. So if you follow the steps in this video, you should be able to get rid of the black screen and fix this issue. You can now record your screen. Now, if this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on this video. Comment down below that this works. I would appreciate that, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.